On our windows in the bedrooms, you may notice something that's a little bit unusual, a little bit different than what you're used to at your current home. It's called a window operation control device, and that's these little units here. They come in different shapes and sizes, but on the sliding windows, that's what these are right here. So they're designed to prevent the window from opening too far so that a child can't just open the window and then fall through the screen and fall out of the house, which is obviously a really good thing. However, it makes them a little bit tricky to open all the way if, for instance, you did want to open the window completely. So how you do that is there's a little button on the back. You push that button and push this unit out of the way, the lever out of the way. Then when you open the window, it allows you to open it all the way. Once you close the window, just return it back to its normal position and it will be safe again.